Good evening, and welcome to day 4 of the 30-day full moon ritual. Tonight, we will be focusing on emotional awareness and habits. Most habits aren't the problem, they're the response to our fears, triggers, or anxiety. I want you to think about and write down the feelings that sit underneath the thing or person you want to release. Where might you be avoiding discomfort, seeking control, wanting validation? Get honest. That's where the real work is. Ask yourself, what emotion am I trying to avoid or create? If you can consistently name the feeling, the trigger, the response, it eventually loses some of its control. Over the past few days, you've started to notice and recognize your patterns and what triggers them. Take your time. Let the emotions flow through your fingertips to the page. If you need to pause the video for more time to write, please do. This is your time to reflect and release. When you're ready, find a comfortable spot to lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, steady breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breathing soften and slow, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Bring your awareness into your body. Notice the weight of your body, the surface supporting you. Relax your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Let your hands rest naturally. Notice what's here right now. Any sounds around you. Any sensations in your body. Any thoughts passing through. You don't need to follow anything. Just observe. Now gently bring to mind the pattern you've been working with. Not the full story, just the pattern itself. Allow a recent moment to come up when this pattern showed up in your life. As you hold that moment in your awareness, begin to shift your focus away from what happened and toward how you felt. What emotion was underneath that moment? Was it frustration, disappointment, fear, loneliness, pressure? There's no need to label it perfectly, just get close. Now notice where that emotion lives in your body. Is it in your chest, your stomach, your throat? Let your attention rest there. You don't need to change it. Just acknowledge it. Instead of pushing it away, see if you can give that feeling a little space. Let it exist without resistance. You're not becoming it. You're simply allowing it to be seen. Take a slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine softening around that feeling, not forcing it to go away. just creating a little more space around it. Begin to recognize this pattern isn't random. It's a response to a feeling. And now that you can see the feeling, you're closer to understanding the pattern. You don't need to fix this today. Awareness is enough. Connection is enough. Bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your body again. Grounded. Supported. Present. Silently remind yourself, I am allowed to feel, and I am learning to understand myself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Today, you connected to what's underneath the pattern, and that's where real change begins. When you're ready, tuck your journal away in its safe place, taking care to leave all anxiety, triggers, and fears with it. Peace will only accompany you to bed, to your dreams. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.